Next up, we have our VSCode hint, tip, and trick of the week. And this one, it's one we've covered, but not for quite a long time. And it's actually still my favorite one out of all the comment tools. It's Better Comments. So it's got over 7.5 million installs, and it's 5+ stars, or 5 stars. Oops, not plus, but yeah, 5 stars. And the reason I like it is because it makes a more human-friendly comments for our code. The cool thing is you can, instead of just doing to-dos like you've probably done before, to do this or whatever, you can actually make your own annotations. So you could use alert or highlights. You can do queries. I've been doing a lot of updates lately for an older code base, and so I've basically tagging everything with review. That way I can go back and review it further in the future. And so basically when you comment out your code, it can still look nice, and it can still look styled, it can still look colorful, get your attention, so that way you can see them. And it works really good with some other tools like To-Do Tree, which will allow you to sort of see a structure of your to-dos and everything else. But yeah, this is a pretty cool little extension. And again, we haven't covered it for quite a while, and it's still one of the ones I use all the time. And so I wanted to share that with those who maybe haven't heard of it yet. So it's called Better Comments.
I hadn't. I just installed it. To check it out this afternoon.
Yep, I think it's a really cool one. Like I said, and the fact that you can customize and make your own little ones, and you can color them differently, it's pretty neat. So definitely recommend that one. And if you got any VS Code extensions you think we should be using, send them our way, and we'll share them with the group. And because obviously we've done quite a lot of these, and there's a lot of the same extensions get brought up on all those blog posts. So if you got something different, let us know for sure.
Well, sometimes they're updated versions. Sometimes it's just such a good extension that, we want to tell you about it again. We love it, and you might not have heard of it yet.
Yeah, for sure. I think it's been about 4 years since we posted this one, so that's kind of crazy. You think about it that way.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.